Bible reading for Sunday, January 4. Children, Ephesians chapter 4 yata. Chapter 6 day, verse 1. Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. So, mga children, either mga bata or children of God, mga Christian, we need to obey our parents in the Lord, for this is right. So, kinahanglan natin mo-obey sa atong mga parents. So, sana ay mga parents, kinahanglan mag-obey kita sa ilaha. Just like sa atong nasod, ang atong presidente mo head, so mo-follow to sa atong presidente, sa mga balaod sa yuta. Di ba? So, kung sa company, we need to follow the rules of sa atong rules sa company, we need to submit or abide the rules sa company. I-obey na to ang mga rules, ang atong bossing, atong mga sa agency, we need to, atong official, we need to obey them, respect them. For this is right, so muna ang tama. Obey your parents in the Lord. So, children, we need to obey the Lord's instruction. Honor your father and mother. So, we need to love and respect our father and mother, which is the first commandment with a promise, so that it may go well with you, so that you may enjoy long life on the earth. So that it may go well with you. So, if you obey your parents, you can build a good relationship, no? A good relationship, a long life. Sa urban version, sa King James version, you will have a long life. You will have a long life. Taas imong kinabuhi. That you may enjoy long life on the earth, and that it may go well with you. So everything is okay as you obey your parents. So, ang kanang rebelde sa mga anak ay sa mga parents. Di ba? Nasdalan na wala sila protection. So, it is not good na we should rebel our parents, even in authorities. We need to obey, submit, or follow the Lord's instruction regarding our parents. We need to obey them. So, Ephesians 6:1-3. Read your Bible.